Hello guys, I'm Kevin Ochieng. My colleagues and I are students from Egerton University, and we are here to show that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Just before we proceed, allow my colleagues to introduce themselves.
Hello guys, I'm Omondi Justin.
Hello guys, I'm Ochieng Silvanus.
Hello guys, I'm Okech Kennedy. Hello, I'm Basil Miller.
Okay, just as my colleague has introduced, we want to show that sin squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta equals to 1. To show this, we are going to consider a right angled triangle OAAB. So, first of all, I would like us to determine the length OA and AB. To determine this, we are going to consider the trigonometric ratios, that is the sine of theta and cosine of theta. To proceed with the sine and the cosine, we are going to look at, normally we have a formula that goes this way. So, sine of theta from this equals to the opposite, which is AB all over hypotenuse OB, such that we can write AB all over OB. Remember, OB is equal to R units. Therefore, we replace OB with R. We will have AB over R. And this implies that AB is equal to R sine of theta. Similarly, we are going to look at cosine of theta, and we are going to say that cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. From our diagram, our adjacent is OA over hypotenuse OB. Recall that OB is equal to R units. Therefore, we are going to replace OB with R, and this implies that OA is equal to R cosine of theta. Having those ones, we can substitute for the lengths that we are now having, OA to be R cos theta and AB R sine of theta. From Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse squared is equal to adjacent squared plus height squared. From our figure here, hypotenuse is equivalent to OB. Squared is equal to adjacent, which is OA squared, plus the height, which is AB squared. Substituting for the values, we are going to have R squared equals to OA is R cosine of theta squared plus AB, which is R sine of theta, everything squared. From there, we are going to open the bracket such that we are going to have r squared is equal to r squared cosine squared of theta plus r squared sine squared of theta. Having this, we can divide through by r squared. And this one gives us one is equal to cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta. So having reached here, we can as well rearrange this so that we have sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta is equal to 1. Hence, we have shown that sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta is equal to 1. This mathematical concept is widely applied in mathematics generally and in physics. So I hope that after going through this video, you have gained something. Thank you.